it's time to make the guide. Let's put the sleeve on.
Hi, I'm David, the Director of Guided Surgery in Real-Time Dental Lab. So one of the most common issues when it comes to guide design, in that area the sleeve is hitting the soft tissue or even the bone. That sucks, right? So the easiest way is to raise the sleeve. So that's when the DAS guided kit really shines. Basically, you can freely change your offset of your guided sleeve, and then when you look at the number, you will know, okay, how many millimeter has been raised. So when you do the guided surgery, just increasing the drill length accordingly. So with the raised prolongation of the guided sleeve, that actually brings another problem inside. Since the sleeve has been raised, the position of the final implant insertion has been also be raised. So DAS guided kit has a great solution for this. DAS guided system has different offsets for the implant mount. So when you do the fully guided implant insertion, just select the offset to the implant mount accordingly. Even with the sleeve has been raised, but with the prolongated implant mount, you can still place the implant to where it's been planned. If you want to learn more tips and tricks about guided surgery, just follow me, and I'll see you in the next one.
Guided system for you.